What up, guys? It's Nick back here with another video, and today I got a New England Patriots table that I'm doing. Like, a lot of people have been showing me love on these Patriots tables. Well, not Patriots tables, but coffee tables in general. So like, I had to keep making them, keep pushing them out. So I made this one in light of the Patriots and Bills football game, that playoff game that they was playing. So, you know, I made this for my homeboy, one of my coworkers. So, you know, he was disappointed when he got it because it was after the game and the Patriots got blew out. So, hey, we had to make that. I said, hey, I hope I can make you feel better with the table. So, you know, he liked the table, but, you know, like, it's a lot of like Patriots fans in my area. Like, I'm from Memphis, so I don't know how it is in other places, but in Memphis, like there are few Titans fans. So like, I'm one of the few Titans fans. So it's like most people who are from here like different teams. They like it, like they like places from all over. They don't like the hometown team. So you know, we just have to like, so this like making something like this is really lucrative around here, because you can make a killing making a different sports team. It ain't like, because when I lived in Kansas City for a few years, everybody in Kansas City is a Chiefs fan, whether they good or bad. In Memphis, if you're not good, they're not supporting you, period. So, you know what I'm saying? So like, making football teams here it would be really lucrative. So like, I actually have, after I made this one, I got a couple more orders. So I got a couple of them coming out pretty soon too. So but anyway, like, you know, the Patriots, I like Tom Brady. Like, I'm not gonna get into if he's the GOAT or not. Like, I mean, he's not to me, but hey, if you know, people want to give it to him, oh well. So, but you know, I'm a fan of his success. I like to see, you know, the longevity of it. I like, the longevity does matter, but I'm just not a huge Tom Brady fan like that. You know what I'm saying? I like him, but I don't like him like other people like him. You know what I'm saying? Like Skip Bayless like him or something like that. So, you know, I just like to see this. I like the way this logo came out. Like, I'm thinking I might do a personal Tom Brady one myself, so that I can make for another one of my homeboys. You know, because I got a couple of these Patriots ones, and then I got a Cowboy that comes soon too that I gotta make. So, but yeah, you know, this process is pretty simple. Like, it's nice and fun. If anybody's looking to get into it, it's kind of expensive to make. You might spend like $60 per table. But you know what I'm saying. But it's a nice and fun hobby to do if you're really interested in something like this. You know, and it can be lucrative if your clientele base is big enough. You know what I'm saying. So just practice on it, try it out, see what you can do with it, and have fun. I mean, that's all I can say. I mean, like, I get a lot of people who hit me up about these too. So, you know what I'm saying. Of course, with the shoes already. So, you know, I'm already bagged up as it is. So, but these are a lot easier to make. They come out faster. So, you know, it's cool. But let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, holla back.